Have you ever considered how different groups can spend vast sums of money to influence elections, often without directly funding a candidate's campaign? The legal basis for Super Political Action Committee election spending stems directly from the First Amendment to the United States Constitution, specifically the protection of free speech. This interpretation was significantly affirmed by the Supreme Court's landmark decision in Citizens United versus Federal Election Commission. At its heart, the legal framework differentiates between direct contributions to a candidate and independent expenditures. The court ruled that spending money to advocate for or against a candidate is a form of political speech, which is protected under the First Amendment. Crucially, for spending to be considered an independent expenditure, it cannot be coordinated with any candidate or campaign. This lack of coordination is the key distinction that allows super political action committees to raise and spend unlimited amounts of money. Understanding this legal distinction helps you analyze political advertising more effectively. When you see a political advertisement, look for disclaimers stating who paid for it and whether it was authorized by a candidate or candidates committee. This transparency helps clarify its source and legal nature. A unique aspect of super political action committees is that while they must disclose their donors to the Federal Election Commission, the sources of some of these donations can be other organizations, sometimes leading to what is popularly referred to as dark money. This term describes political spending, where the source of funding is not publicly disclosed, making it harder to track the original donors. By grasping the First Amendment protections and the specific rules around independent expenditures, you gain a deeper insight into the financial landscape of our elections. This knowledge empowers you to critically evaluate the messages you encounter and better understand the various influences shaping our democratic process.